Now, welcome to this degrees of comparison lesson topic. I believe you're all very much passionate to explore English grammar and you are dealing with English grammar. Sometimes you felt very difficult to understand, but it's very easy. We can really deal with that happily. Be prepared and then have positive bent of mind. Okay, let's get into the topic. Model 1. Only two objects are involved in comparison here. Only two objects are involved in comparison here. Hence, there is no possibility for forming a superlative degree. Negative NOT not exists only in one of the two. Negative exists only in one of the two, only in one of the two, not two, but only one of the two. That means either in comparative or positive. Example, Mumbai is bigger than Hyderabad. So than is present, obviously it is comparative degree. Hyderabad is not so or as big as Mumbai, not so big as Mumbai. So we use not here. One important takeaway and the point to be clarified. Students would ask, Sir, NOT not is present here. How can it be called positive sentence in such case? We don't use NOT not, nothing, no, never, mostly in positive sentences. Friends, one important observation. It's a very important question. When we write sentences, mostly assertive or declarative sentences, to understand the structures of language, we usually form a weed called positive sentence, PS, negative sentence, NS, where we use, for example, it's a room, and negative sentences, it's not a restaurant. It's a house, it's not a restaurant. By using a note and not, we can call the sentence to be negative. But in this context, its degrees of comparison, past to degree is different from past to sentence in English grammar. Please do remember this point. In past to degree, we can use NOT not to justify how it can be extrapolated and attributed to the meaning which is to be expected equally from comparative degree. All right. In model number 2, the phrase "a few other" or "very few." We know that few other or very few are used to. Tell me, few other or very few. This formula is used in positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Among these three degrees, which degree would use this particular structure? Exactly, positive degree. And it's followed by a plural noun. They are equated by most other plus plural noun in comparative degree. One of the plus superlative form in superlative degrees. Try to remember. If you don't remember, try until you remember. There is no other shortcut. The degrees of comparison requires your efforts. Active effort and very active and concentration is needed. Your active involvement is needed first. Okay. Mumbai is one of the biggest cities in the world. Mumbai is bigger than most other cities in the world. Few other cities in the world are as big as Mumbai. When we go through the text, it would appear to be very simple, but in the examination, the difficulty arises because here we are not judged or examined the moment when the class goes, or even the teacher doesn't come and the faculty doesn't ask you if you have done it until the time comes. Maybe you may have to show the notes when the verification starts. But in examination, there's only one question, typically, maybe two questions, approx. In such case, you will have to have a lot of clarity. First of all, you need to understand under which model this sentence comes and what is the type of degree the sentence has been written with. These two questions should be answered first in your mind. Then you can proceed to answer the question. And when you proceed to answer the question, your mind needs to recharge your think tank. I mean the repertoire which you have already filled with lots and lots of information, not only in English, in other subjects. What is the structure basically? The structure which is necessary to write the sentence that you must identify. Well, in model number 3, the phrase "no other" in past degree is always followed by a singular noun. The phrase "no other" in past degree is always followed by a singular noun. Remember, only past degrees start with formulas. Okay, few other or no other. In comparative degree, you will have subject which is discussed, and in superlative degree is the same. It is equated by the phrases any other in comparative degree, and the superlative form in the superlative degree. Mumbai is the biggest city in India, that is SD. Mumbai is bigger than any other city in India, that is CD. No other city in India is as big as Mumbai or so big as Mumbai. That's positive degree. So I believe you have done an excellent job by having a lot of interest and passion to learn English grammar. If you really have not got the real speck of passion which is necessary to explore English and to speak English, it's the time you should open your eyes and let the time be utilized properly and give importance to your speaking English. Okay, so talk to your friends, and maybe you can also bring to the teachers notice about your inadequacies and difficulties that you come across in speaking English and learning English. And every teacher is a great teacher. They are all ready to help you. Good luck with your English learning.